you want now?
Repo.
You're repossessing my TV? Well, I'm sure I made a payment. If it's about that bounce check, here, let me give you a credit card. It's expired. Huh? Oh, come on.
With the lock on his collar, Nebbins kept running, unaware of his part in the evil Quinn's cunning.
Joan Walden, real estate, be it ever so humble, there's no...
Oh, hi, Joan. The kids let the dog out again.
You're kidding.
But don't worry, I'll go get him, and then we'll have a conversation vis-a-vis military school.
I don't know. Conrad's like you, Lawrence. He's very sensitive.
Uh-huh.
But I suppose it's something I should consider.
I'll get the dog. I'll be right back.